पकड़ो पकड़ो पकड़ो।
Actually, whoa, yeah, good one. So many of you must be knowing that Hyderabad is actually experiencing the worst rains ever. So right now, it has been raining from past 1.5 hours. So it just stopped for a while. So I'm taking this opportunity to actually go and feed the puppies on the road. So I know a place where are actually around 5 to 10 puppies. I don't know much more puppies can be there, but so I have this, I don't even have a raincoat actually. So I'm just going when there is no rain. So I have this few clothes for them to keep warm, and then I'll buy some pedigree. So who was thinking that I'm doing it for publicity stunt? For God's sake, I've been doing animal activism from past 8 months. 8 months or more than like 1 year. So I started doing it animal activism in April or in the February, March or August, I guess March. So main reason to actually talk about this is because so from like today, I guess I'll be uploading this video right now. Maybe right after I complete the recording, I'll upload it because this is very important, guys. So why is it important? So there is an alert saying that from today, the 3 days, there will be a lot of rains. So getting a point, right? So the Hyderabad has been given red alert. So humans can actually ask for things, but dogs and cats can't, right? So you see there's a dog over here. అన్న పెడిగ్రీ ప్యాక్ ఎంత? అది పైన ఉంది కదా, అదెంత? కిందది. So I purchased few things. Oh, the rain started. So anyone who's not able to understand Hindi or Telugu, English, I'm gonna talk in Telugu and Hindi too. तो मैं ये बोलना चाह रहा हूँ कि अभी हैदराबाद में बहुत बारिश हो रहा है, बहुत बारिश भी होने वाली है. तो मसला ये है कि अभी 3 दिन, अभी से आज से 3 दिन तक बहुत हेवी रेन की अलर्ट दिया गया है. तो एक जगह है जहाँ पे पपीज़ बहुत मतलब ये कुछ महीने पहले ये ब्रीडिंग सीज़न हुआ था, तो उसकी वजह से बहुत पपीज़ पैदा हो गए थे. तो अभी उन पपीज़ को खाना वाना देने के लिए अभी जा रहा हूँ फ़िलहाल, क्योंकि प्रॉब्लम ये है कि जो जहाँ पे पपीज़ रहते हैं उधर लोग नहीं रहते हैं. तो और अगर वो लोग बच भी गए बारिश से, वो लोग खाना के बिना मर जाएंगे. तो अभी फ़िलहाल मुझे जाना पड़ेगा. एंड बारिश शुरू हो गई है इन तेलुगु. तो నేనేమంటున్నానంటే ఈ రోజు నుంచి 3 days వరకు రెయిన్ అలర్ట్ ఉంది, హెవీ రెయిన్ అలర్ట్స్ ఉన్నాయి. సో ఇప్పుడు రోడ్ మీద చాలా పప్పీస్, కుక్కలు చాలా చచ్చిపోతున్నాయి. సో కానీ మనం చేయగలిసిన సహాయం చేస్తే చాలా మంచిది, చాలా బెటర్ క్యూకి. ఎందుకంటే పప్పీ ఇంటి వచ్చేస్తాం అదిలో, ఎందుకంటే కుక్కలు ఈ పప్పీస్ అవన్నీ మాట్లాడలేవు కదా. ఇప్పుడు మనిషి అంటే వచ్చి అడుగుతాడు, నాకు హెల్ప్ చేయండి, 10,000 ఇవ్వండి. కానీ పప్పీస్ ఏం చేయగలవు చెప్పు? ఏం చేయలేవు. కుక్కలు ఏం మాట్లాడలేవు కూడా అవి. సో మన హెల్ప్ చేయడం మంచిది. హెల్ప్ అంటే ఏం పెద్ద హెల్ప్ కాదు బ్రో, చిన్న హెల్పే. కుక్కలు వచ్చినప్పుడు వాటికి ఫుడ్ ఇవ్వడం, మీ దగ్గరలో ఉన్న పప్పీస్ ఏమైనా ఉంటే వాటికి వెళ్ళి ఫుడ్ ఇవ్వడం, వాటికి ప్లేస్ ఇవ్వడం ఉండడానికి, బ్లాంకెట్స్ ఉంటే ఏమైనా ఉంటే ఇవ్వండి, చాలు అదే. So coming back to the English. So that's what I'm saying, guys. It started raining right now. So I don't want it to rain much. Whoa. or a problem. I just don't know why people can't just flow. So right now the Moose is overflowing. Hyderabad issue, the main issue. So Hyderabad, I know Hyderabad, like in Hyderabad, many people, I just can't say many people, but the lakes, completely many lakes have been enroached. So like Kabja in Telugu. So they have enroached the lakes, and so there aren't any lakes to actually sink up the water, rainwater. So there isn't any rainwater system in Hyderabad. So because of that, so the water doesn't know where to go. So the water really getting stagnant into the colonies and places. Nasi ke overflowing. That's not a freshwater river or place. I know it's very tempting to actually go and swim over there, but remember that it's not freshwater. बहुत overflowing हो रहा है. Too much overflowing. Actually, I'll show you. I know. There used to be a tree, and we could actually see the land over there. But right now we can't see anything. It looks very deadly. I don't know what this dog doing here. It should be actually in those pipes. So last time when I saw them, those were actually the puppies were actually staying in the pipes. I'll have to look. Cute man. There were a lot of puppies. Did all of them die or what? Okay. Puppies undaali. Kill the puppies and look at the back. I have no idea. So right now I need to search for these puppies, because last time when I came they used to stay here. I even fed them 2 to 3 times, but I'm not able to find them. Like, I guess this is a very good place to actually in the pipes to actually there were a lot of puppies. If you were thinking that maybe the puppies are sleeping, like maybe two or three puppies must be sleeping, and at least one puppy would be active, right? So I didn't find any puppies here. I'm getting no idea where these puppies are. कहाँ पे यार दिख नहीं रहे. So this is the place I used to stay. I used to come over here and chill. Submerge. They got completely wet. I guess it's running away. Bro, have a look. First I'll wash him. First I'll dry him out with. I got a towel with me. So actually, it would have been very much good. First I need to gain their trust. So I don't know if these are those puppies, but actually there were a lot of puppies. Adult. Da. Da. I need to. Yeah, this place is good. Da. Oh, they're going away. I guess I have to take out my helmet. Da. Ante. Yeah, that's it. Okay, they're eating. I guess even this pup will go over there. Wait, I'll make him go over there. They seem to be searching for the food on the ground, like if they could find anything. You just scare him away, so he goes to his mother or dad over there where they are eating food. Pata. He looks beautiful. He really looks very good. Da. Itra. Da, puppy. So if we actually da hoche tine po. Oh, he's not able to eat properly, but still it's okay. I guess he's scared. Yeah, he's scared. Actually, they could actually jump over that, but he's not doing it because of me. He's feeling very nervous. Now he can eat happily. So let's find another puppy. So I have packed for another dog too. So we just saw an adult dog over there, right? So I'll give the pack to an adult dog. So normally in normal places, the dogs can actually survive because some can actually feed them. But in these places where people are not there, so someone has to give them. Someone has to really give food to them. So I just I brought those towels for them, but actually I thought of placing them in the pipe because I had an idea like if I could place them they could feel warm. But if they are here, there isn't any chance to actually place those towels over there because they'll actually get wet and maybe some other dog could need it. So the thing is, I guess other puppies are kind of dead or something happened to them. So we'll feed this. So He's no subscriber actually. So when I was here actually feeding some dogs, so once he came and did a photo shoot over here with his friends. This dog seems to be very malnutrition. Da. Appa, every dog is scared and da. So to make the dog eat, I have to leave from here. So dogs have a very weird actual behavior. They feel very nervous or very anxious. It's very extreme level. So that's why they are the man's best friend. So normally, if I'm there, he won't even come near to that. Look at his tail. Actually, he's not wagging. So probably scared. I don't know. Maybe because of the climate. The dog. By crow. Maybe the crow come. If the crow eats the pedigree, then actually pedigree company has pedigrees to start making pedigree for the crows too. I still have some food with me, so I can still feed them. So I'll just recheck again if I could find some puppies here. Yeah, बहुत अजीब है यार. New puppies. I need to place. Da. These dogs are running away, man. If those puppies were in actually group, I could have they would have been actually chance for me to actually to gain their trust. For now, I just found 3 puppies, but actually I'm concerned that what happened to other puppies. So the puppies are coming back again to actually check. Look at that. But usko dekho. Da. Actually I should make the sound of this. Oh, they're eating. So let's go to them and da. Da. So they came here, so I'm sure they'll check it. I placed for some food for them. They'll come back for sure. So I'll just sit here and wait, see. Actually, I guess because of the rain, they're much scared. Oh, even this puppy came here. Da. Itra. Oh. Look at him. I guess it's enough for him. They seem to be like around 1.5 months or 2 months, and they can eat these puppy biscuits. ఏందన్నా వచ్చినాయి పెట్టినా. So I told you, right, they'll come back again. So just have a look. They came back, and Avi is so look. He's eating and he's eating too. So those two dogs must eat too. Hey, Dada. Da. So we have this saddle pack for him. We'll just place it with Dada. He's very hungry. Dinesh. So maybe if you go, he's very wet. He seems to be very wet. So I'll just try to dry him up. I have a cloth, right? So maybe he could actually use it. Maybe I don't know where is he going, where is he heading to. But that's the reason, right? No, I have no idea where they are heading to. So I'll do another thing, I'll give the puppy back. Too. He seems to be very hungry. Rather than trying to find some puppies, actually, whoa, yeah, good one. So I guess this is enough for some other puppies. If we could actually find the other puppies here. Good boy. So normally the curries, right? No, the main reason I haven't bought it because the weather is already cold and it's raining. So maybe they could actually have a stomach upset. So I'll just do a round over here. I'll see if I can find any puppies here. Should I place puppy food for him here? I'll go near him. I'll see if he'll get scared or not. If he'll get scared, I'll just place the food over there. Those people are dehydrating. So he has some trust on me. Okay. So that's it. Hello boy, hello. He's very scared. Go ahead and have food. Oh, look at the water. Hey, bhai. This place used to be dry up, man. Even this place, the water has come to the extent. Oh my god. I guess I could actually go for fishing over there. If you find any dogs or any cat or puppies or whatever, it can be any animal, just go them and feed them. Don't hit stones or don't hit them with your legs. Or you could, if you don't have any pedigree or biscuits, so like if they're really starving, then only give them Parle-G biscuits or glucose biscuits, because they can actually get type 2 diabetes and it's very harmful for them. So if you don't have any biscuits, you can just give them any clothes, like your old clothes, just place them and they'll have fun over there, because the climate is very cold and they should really feel warm. So they're just like us. So like if you ask me what's life,
So life is something where we can give space to other animals to live in. So it's not somewhere like, we should be living, we should be earning every month, and we should be eating. So we should also give space to other animals so they can live. So if you find any animal, just go and help. That's all I would be real pleasing. So if you guys want to be part of the organization or any help or a rescues, so I'll put the link in the description. You can join the group and be part of it. Thanks for watching. Let's have a great day and see ya. Take care.